Hey guys, how you doing today? I wanted to show you really quick. This is just going to be a really short video, but my Philodendron McDowell. This is the plant I'm working on. You can see she's got just tons and tons and tons of leaves everywhere, stalks, and she's growing out. I wish I would have showed you this before I put my air layering on, but she's growing up and out. You can see she's growing out of the pot. Here's the tip, here's the pot, here's her other tip, here's the pot. I mean, she's growing out and over. So I've been wanting to do this for a while. You can see here I can show you on this one. This is what they do. See how she's lifted up out of the soil. So I'll have to air layer her actually too before, too much longer, but I'm not worried about it because she's not growing up and out of the pot yet. But anyways, what I did is I had some plastic solo cups, and well, what had happened was I ran out of cellophane or plastic wrap, because I've been using so much of it for my seedlings. So what I did was, I'm not going to actually cut it, but I cut down the middle, and then I cut all the way through here, and then I cut the whole bottom of the cup out so it could lay. See? Oh, yeah, not. See how I got, there's spag. Oh, that stupid pole's in the way. Which one is it? Oh, there's so many poles in here. But anyways, I cut this all out. And then what I did with the bottom of it, the bottom of the cup, is I just I made a bunch of holes all the way down, because this would be the bottom right here, and I can't show you because, well, it's on the bottom. I just made a bunch of holes, and then I pulled this apart, and I stuffed it with my moist spag, and then I slid it onto the stem that's growing out. Now the only issue is I couldn't get it like up here on this node, but that's okay. As long as the other nodes get roots, this will be fine. But I did that on both. I still have to cut this. See how I cut these out to kind of lay. And then I'll just bend them back so they're not scratching or hurting my stem. Get that off of there. I'll bend this one back too. But I need to do that to, looks like 2 of them, at least this one yet. And I need to pull her up a little bit. See how she's got a little baby growing? See the little baby growing in here? He's so cute. But anyways, that's how I am trying my air layering. And I just got my mist bottle, and I'll go in probably according to the weather, and plus I have a fan running in here all the time, because I'm not going to seal off the bottom. At least I don't think I am. Maybe when I get some more plastic wrap I might, but I don't want this to rot. I think just the wet spag, it wouldn't be no different than cutting it, putting it down in spag, and then just walking, away from it. So I think the open ends will be fine, because I still want a lot of air to get through there. But it was the only thing I could think of to get her rooted, because I've got to get her rooted, and I like doing the air layering on the plants, because they continue to keep growing. There's no shock, and they just respond a lot better. I've been air layering a lot of my plants, especially the bigger ones. Um, and I like it so much better. There's not a lot of shock to the plant, and it just seems to go a lot easier. So anyways, I wanted to show you guys that because I thought it was a pretty darn good idea, and I think the cup, rather than using the plastic wrap, I don't know. We'll see. Like I said, I've never done this before, but it just kind of made sense to me. So, it's an option that if you guys want to, try it this way instead of using, because sometimes the cellophane is really hard to get wrapped around, and you've got cellophane like all the way around it. I like this option better because it seems like there's going to be more airflow going through. And I don't know. We'll just see. Like I said, this was my option because I ran out of plastic wrap, but I think this is going to be pretty darn good. And then I'll just go in every couple, 2, 3, days when it feels like and if I would get excess water in here, like say I'm watering my plant and I accidentally dump a bunch of water in my spag, I got the holes up underneath the cups, which you still can't see, but I just, poked holes in all the way down the bottom side of the cup, and it'll drain out, so, and it'll give it good air circulation up through there also. So alright guys, I am going to let you go. I've got another video to make because I got surprise, and I'm going to show you. It's gardening plants. So alright guys, I will talk to you later, and you have a great day. I really like this. I think it's going to work. It looks kind of silly, but looks like she's got 2 eyeballs looking at me. See? Ooh, looking at me. That's kind of creepy. Alright guys, bye. Take it easy. Peace.